Good morning, everyone. I am Mingwei from Fudan University. Today I will present our work. API method recommendation will explicit mention of a functionality verb phrases. And the developer often need to find some API with specific functionality. In this situation, they often relying on document-based API retrieval approach. And here is a example user query, and here is a API with its functionality description. As we can see, the user query did not match well with the functionality description because there are some gap between them. For example, they are using different verbs or different tense. Due to the lexical gap, document-based API retrieval approach using lexical similarity often produce poor results. And our basic idea is that verb phrases and their phrase patterns are essential in describing the functionality of API method and interpreting user queries. We should match functionality description and user query in terms of functionality verbs and phrase patterns according to the semantic they express rather than their lexical similarity. We conducted an empirical study. We found that most of the JDK and Android API functionality description sentences could be classified into limited sets of 18-7 functionality categories with 1 to 5 phrase patterns used for each functionality category. And based on this finding, we design our approach PreMA. We will extract the API functionality sentence from API reference documentation and match it with the API query provided by the developer. We will do the functionality sentence parsing for both of functionality sentence and API query. It includes the functionality category classification based on a pre-trained BERT and a phrase pattern analysis based on NLP tools. And after that, we will do the sentence alignment and API matching between the parse API query and each parse API functionality sentence to get the API matching results. The longer presentation will contain more detail.